Do you know how to use frustrations in your marketing? Humans are constantly seeking to solve everyday problems and frustrations, and they're willing to pay pretty well to do that. Moreover, your competitors could be the source of their frustration, which presents you with an opportunity, particularly important in a business-to-business or service-based industry where it's hard to get a foot in the door. So, common sources of frustration include customer service, maybe long wait times, rude staff, or just not solving a problem adequately. It could be product or service limitations, where the functionality, usability, or durability of a product or service just isn't good enough for their needs. Or it could be misleading information. Maybe the product functions or pricing or promotion have been misleading, which all erode trust in the brand and means repeat business is less likely. So how can you help alleviate your customers' frustrations, and can you communicate that better? Next week, we'll be talking about how to appeal to customers' fears in your marketing.